Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the nationwide mobile app. So let's get started. So to download and install that, you have to follow this easy step. So here you have to open your Google Play Store. If you are an Android user, if you are an Apple user, you should must use your Apple Play Store. Apple Store. So here I will just go to the search bar and search for the nationwide app. Okay. So as you can see, nationwide app. Okay, nationwide app, just click on install and it will automatically download and install the app and you can use it. If you scroll down, you can also see the reviews for this app. It's average and it is good. You can also put your reviews in the app. If you see here, you can contact the support also. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.